Good morning, guys. It is a rainy, sad day outside, so we're probably just hanging out around the house, getting some things done. I just got up for the day, put a little bit of makeup on, but I don't want to wear too much makeup since we are just hanging around the house, but I needed makeup to make me feel alive. So I'm gonna go out there and cook some breakfast and get my day started. This is the real life state of my house right now. We went to Sam's Club yesterday and got a ton of stuff, and it's a mess. I am getting ready to make some cream chip beef, is what we call it. It's also called SOS. I don't know, something I grew up on. My dad used to make it all the time, and I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. And it's kind of like a sausage gravy, except for sausage used air-dried chipped beef. It sounds disgusting, but it's actually really delicious.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel like we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise, that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise, that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here. I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise, that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. The last one I think about.
We just went to Target and loaded up on things we needed for baby, and now my husband and daughter are going into my son's work to embarrass him. He works at Wendy's, of all places, but hey, a job is a job, and I'm very proud of him for going out there and getting one. He applied for a ton of jobs, and even though a lot of places said, yeah, if you're breathing and you're above 16, come in and we'll hire you, he actually had quite a tough time, a couple interviews before he could actually find something. and Wendy's wanted to hire him, so it's a learning experience. And I say everybody's got to work in like a fast food slash serving slash type of situation to kind of empathize with the service industry. So I think it makes you a better customer once you've been in, you know, a server's shoes or any kind of customer service. So they're running in to get a Frosty and embarrass my son, and we're sitting here waiting to go home. So we ended up getting this set of sunshades for the car because the sun really, even though we have tinted windows, the sun really still comes through. And then my husband really wanted to get a carrier that he could wear as well. So we're gonna try this one out. It's a little bit more sturdy and see if we like it. We just got it from Target, and it was a cheaper kind of brand. So we're gonna see. I think it was like $35 because he wants to baby wear and he did not like wearing the wrap. So we decided to go ahead and take this fan down just because it's way too big for the space. It worked for a while, but too big. We're just replacing it with this little teeny track light. I know it probably looks a little cheesy, but we need light back here, especially at night if we're grilling at night. So nice. So we still got a fan. I do need to wipe that down. This is actually just from cooking in here. We have a new paper towel holder too. The little fan. We have plenty of light now when we're in here cooking. It's gonna be fun times. So this is crazy, but I actually got these citronellas. I got 2 of them from Amazon because I could not find any citronella in my area when summer started, and I started these guys out from about like 6-inch little plants, and now look how huge they are. I'm gonna try and keep them over the winter, but these help out a lot with bugs and mosquitoes and things like that. So I'm really happy with how they turned out. I got these shipped to me from Amazon, which is crazy. You can get anything on Amazon these days. Set up the little volleyball net my mom got us for Christmas. That's kind of cool. Play some water sports. So we picked up this street Euro kit from Sam's Club, and we're gonna try it out. It comes with the pita, the meat, and the sauce. And I picked up some red onion, some lettuce, and some tomato. So we're gonna dress it up and have some gyros at home. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so this The gyros was okay, edible, interesting, fun to try at home, but not something that I think I would buy again. It was okay. I had some, husband had some, and son had just the meat and the pita. He didn't want any of the sauce, which is like the whole point of the gyros in my opinion. Sauces. And this sauce was pretty good. It was pretty tangy, flavorful, but I don't know, I think it's the meat that lets you down a little bit. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. We are going to sit here and watch, I think we're going to watch Jungle Cruise. That came out, so I think we're going to try and watch that and just kind of enjoy a quiet night in after this, put baby boy to bed and just kind of chill out. So hopefully you enjoyed this kind of very chill family vlog, and I will see you guys next time.